Good morning, children. Welcome to the online chemistry session. How are you, children? Hope all are doing well. In the last class, we started acid, base, and salts. We learned about what are acids and bases and what are indicators. Children, what are indicators? Indicators are those substances used to test whether the substances are acidic or basic. Today we are going to learn about what are the types of indicators. There are two types of indicators: natural indicators and synthetic indicators. What are natural indicators? Indicators that are obtained from nature are called natural indicators. Let us discuss this in detail. Turmeric, litmus, China rose petals are some of the naturally occurring indicators. First, we have to learn about turmeric as a natural indicator. For this, we can do an activity. Take some water in a beaker and add a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Mix it and make a paste. Apply it on a filter paper and dry it. After drying, cut into strips of paper. Now we can test if the substance is acidic or basic. If put a drop of basic solution on the strip, it turns red. Now, if we put a drop of acidic solution on the strip, there will be no change. However, if we use the used strip on the testing, then again it turns yellow. For bases, yellow turmeric strip turns red, and for acids, red turmeric strip turns to yellow. If the solution is neutral, there is no change in color. Children, what is neutral substances? Substances which are neither acidic nor basic are called neutral substances. Example: sugar solution, salt solution, distilled water, etc. So we can conclude that turmeric indicator in acid gives no color change, in base it gives red color, and in neutral solution it gives no color change. Moving on, China rose as an indicator. Children, you are familiar with shoe flower or hibiscus flower. How it acts as an natural indicator? For this, let's do an experiment. Add hot water to the petals of China rose in a beaker and let it for some time. This solution is used as an indicator. When a drop of this added to an acidic solution, then the color of the solution changes to magenta red. However, when added to a basic solution, the color of the basic solution turns green. So we can say that China rose in acid gives dark pink or magenta color, in base gives green color, while in neutral solution it gives no color change. Next natural indicator is litmus. The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. Litmus is extracted from lichens. The substance extracted from lichens body is called litmus. It is used as a natural indicator. The litmus obtained from the lichens body is a mixture of some dyes that are usually absorbed on a filter paper. This paper is used as an indicator for detecting acids and bases. Two colors of litmus paper are usually available: red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. The red litmus paper, when come in contact with an acid, there is no color change but turns blue in presence of base, while the blue litmus paper turns red when contact with acid and remains unchanged in basic solution. So, we can demonstrate the effect of the three indicators on each of these solutions. For example, in the case of acids like dilute hydrochloric acid, blue litmus turns red. There is no change for turmeric paper. In China Rose solution, it turns dark pink. While in the case of basic solutions like sodium hydroxide, red litmus turns blue, turmeric paper turns red, and on China Rose solution, it turns green. So we learned about natural indicators. Moving on to synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators means that are prepared in the laboratory. There are lot of synthetic indicators are available. We have to learn one such synthetic indicator. Its name is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is a colorless liquid which is used as an indicator to test whether the substance is acidic or basic. Now let us do an activity with phenolphthalein as an indicator. Now we can test the substances with phenolphthalein indicator. Here I have three solutions: acid solution, basic solution and neutral solution. Hydrochloric acid is taken as acid solution, sodium hydroxide as basic solution and distilled water as neutral solution. Add a drop of phenolphthalein indicator into each of these solutions. Note the color change. Shake well the solutions. You can see that phenolphthalein give pink color to the base and remain colorless on both acid and neutral solutions. So we learned about types of indicators, natural indicators as well as synthetic indicators. Hope all of you understood this topic. Read the lesson, copy the notes and study well. Go through the video URL and attend the test question without fail. So that's all for today's class. See you in the next class. Thank you, children.